Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Bandawa halor ka hok jongki, nadu ki khindet Bnai bilala, ki nong trei jong ka GVK Emri Meghalaya, kila pelongi ka jengki, da ki babon rukom, bat pelong ru ka jing sange trekam, bat kene ka jengki, kala beteng ru hadu kini kisni. Kamtam hadin bakatnat, trekam jong ka GVK Emri Meghalaya, kala ot sundan ru ya katulap jong ki nong trei, ki balapep trei, ha kisngi, bala pelong yi ki jengki. Ban persang Pynbeit yi kini ki Kynram, nakaleng ka Sorkar ru kala tuklar ya kene. Hakaba kala berngamru ban penduk no ya ke GVK Emri ban penyak jika ni kam hakani ke jela ka bolong ru katkom ke jingdawa jongki nong trai ke GVK Emri ban semti hi no da ka Sorkar ban penyak ya ke 108 service hakani ke jela ban yakran halor kani ke benta haka arp artrek matau bna risau arzar ka khandai u menteri Sorkar jela bakmi ya ketnat ka koi ka khya uba Alexander Elheng ulalom ru da ke jelang ya ki he jong ke GVK Emri Meghalaya haka balai don lang ru da ki he Sorkar jong ketnat ka koi ka khya jong gani ka jela hakani ka jelang nakaleng ka Sorkar jela kala berngam mi ka company GVK Emri ban Pynbeit no ikini ki Kynram hapo anre Bnai lem kumta ka Sorkar kan penkot no ya ka jete bat kani ka company ban pentrikam ya ka 108 service hapo kani ka jela Meghalaya.
On 22nd July, sir. Subsequently, we've, as per decision taken, there would be a state level committee, and it was to be chaired by me, and all the CTHs were also part of it, and GVK Emri management as well as the union, they were all part of this. They were to be part of this committee. We have called a meeting of this committee twice, on 25th July and 5th August. So the broad terms of reference of the committee was how to bring about a reconciliation between GVK Emri and the union. So we were having the mandate to hear out from them about the charter of demands, which are those demands which can be fulfilled, and which were the demands in which there was still scope for some further talk. But we had the first meeting in which we called the law and the Labour Department also. We sought their views also that the 108 emergency service is a contracted service which through a process of tender and RFP it has been given to GVK Emri, and now they are having a problem with the staff. Both the law department and the Labour Department were very clear on this, that this is an internal matter between the GVK Emri management and the staff or the union, and therefore the government has no direct role to say. We asked about the ambit of the labour laws. They said that the union and the staff, they can raise a dispute, but then it is not strictly under the purview of any labour law or even the Minimum Wages Act. So then the law department made it very clear once again that the state government didn't have a locus standi, that we have signed MOU with the company. So we will ask the company that there should not be any disruption of services. So there were few points on which there was some commonality of interest between the Emri management and the staff, and these were about the terms, how they would the place of posting and the terms and conditions of service, the welfare of the staff, all those things were discussed. Broadly there was a common view on this, but the substantive view was about the increase of salary, wages on disciplinary action which was taken from Emri side, the pay cuts. On that there was no consensus, and in fact in the second meeting it was a blame game between the Emri union and management, and the union walked out. They said that if we are not able to resolve the issue of the pay cuts during the strike, then there is no purpose behind going ahead with the meeting. On 1st April 2000. So in fact this is of 2000. I think we can take it from 2009-10. 2009-10 broadly we can take.
So to be more clear, what will be the fate of these staff?
By tomorrow we will be issued a notice for pre-termination to the GVK 108 services. Will be issued to them if they are not resuming back to service. Department been doing the services with their own ambulances and all. They're parting these services to all the emergency requirements. After the government will take their own decision on this, but now we have not taken any decision that will be under the government. We might call for the new tender also, call for the new bidder for other companies also to take part in the service. Now we are only, because our agreement is only with the company. We have nothing to do with the employees at present, because they are not directly under our control. This is under the control of those who are employing them. Our agreement is only with the company. The company who are engaged the employees, not the government. We have nothing to do with employees. We are termination letter, anything notice, it is issued to company where they are not performing their services as per the agreement, term and condition.